Martin, thank you very much for the invitation to your stand at Worldskills UK 2019. Now, can you tell me a little bit how long Mitutoyo have actually been working with Worldskills?
Oh, difficult to give the exact date, but it goes back many, many years. It used to be called UK Skills, and then it came to be Worldskills UK Live as it is now. But we go back many years, and I know that also we support the Worldskills International, which goes back to, we started in Shizuoka in 2007, and then we went on to Calgary, to London, to Leipzig, to Brazil, to Abu Dhabi, and this last month, this last few months, we were back in Kazan at the finals, and next time it'll be 2021. We'll be supporting Worldskills Shanghai.
Now, obviously, it's a brand recognition for Mitutoyo. I get that, but what's actually involved? What do you have to supply to be at Worldskills?
Well, the Worldskills platform is the ideal stage for us, really, because we're trying to look towards the future, because everybody knows about the skills shortage and what have you, but we provide support in terms of education, training, and obviously product. So we bring it all together, and we give these young people the opportunity to basically get engaged with what engineering is all about, open their eyes and minds as to what part measurement plays in engineering, because whatever's manufactured needs to be measured, and we have the products and we have the training schemes, we have the education that we can actually influence them and hopefully help them on their career path.
Well, I think that's quite interesting. I mean, we all know that there's a skills shortage, certainly in the UK, but probably worldwide, definitely. But from a Mitutoyo UK perspective, you're supplying all these products, but what does Mitutoyo UK actually get back from Worldskills?
The company, right from the original founder's philosophy, was to basically put something back into society. This is not a quick gain for Mitutoyo. This is education and training and bringing on the next generation of engineers, because let's be honest, we prosper from an educated public. So the more engineers, the more skills that are out there, with our products, they appreciate more, and it basically, if they support us, they partner us through their careers, we will benefit long term. But the main thing is to try and get more engineers on board and educate those engineers, because it doesn't always happen in the education system.
And I think when you've got a vast array of portfolio of different products, as we actually see here, for instance, you know, this is the learning curve of inspection and measurement, isn't it?
Oh, precisely, because the very basics, from the steel rule right through to a three-dimensional measuring machine, we have over 6,000 different products in our range. And it's amazing that, you know, we come up with all these different tasks and these applications that we have to make sure that we've got a product available to be able to measure that application. And we operate in the aerospace, automotive, medical, packaging, electronics, you name it, wherever measurement's required, we do it, and it's down to sub-micron accuracy. So there's a whole world out there, and we just try and get this across to people to say that there's a career path in metrology into measurement, because you can either become a quality inspector, a calibration laboratory. There's many openings, and it's not like the old days. Everybody looked at engineering as a dirty vocation. This is a really exciting one, and measurement plays its part.
Now, that's quite interesting, actually, because when you look at your portfolio of products, I'm seeing some of these guys actually machine parts, but they're using your CMMs just over the other side. But also, I had the wonderful opportunity not so long ago to go to JCB Academy. Now, the kits that you have behind us here, yet again, it's taken it a step further from Worldskills, isn't it?
Yeah, it's basically giving them the tools to do the job. You know, everybody says a bad workman will blame his tools. We give them the tools nowadays, because you have to provide what they want to see and what they want to use. It's no good the theoretical side. So theory is one thing, but vocational training is absolutely spot on, and we provide the kits that you see here to the likes of the academies and the schools and the universities. They're all available, so if anybody wants to come to us to talk about education and having the tools to do the job, they're available to provide.
Finally, any young leavers, any guys at school watching this video who want to be an engineer, but from a metrology inspection point of view and your background, Martin, what would be your message?
I would just make sure that you contact an organisation, say like UTCs, the universities, the colleges, and just ask. Just say to them, what are you doing about the measurement and the metrology side? Where are the openings for me to be able to engage on that type of work, because it really interests me in that. And we can provide a lot of support materials, a lot of learning materials. We have guidebooks, we have everything necessary for someone to get into their mind and help them progress their career. And as I said, Worldskills is that platform that again accelerates that and can take them all the way through.
Great success story. Thanks very much for your time, Martin.
Thank you very much. Thank you.